So today I'm booked on the First Tracks program here at Revelstoke. It's a program that allows you to get on the mountain 45 minutes earlier than everybody else. There's only a select number that are available each day. With all the fresh snow they had, I really wanted to get up there and see what it is like before everybody else gets up there and takes all the fresh powder. So as I said, this program allows you to get up and get a few extra laps in before everybody else. How the program works is you meet at the base of the gondola at 7:30. That's 1 whole hour before the gondola opens for everybody else. You get to start loading at 7:45 on the gondola, and then you head up to the top. You will then ride the runs with an instructor that are deemed fit by the ski patrol at that time. I'm quite curious to see which runs we can do. So that was the mid part of Snow Rodeo down to the mid station. Snow Patrol hadn't quite yet given the clear for us to head up on the Stoke Chair, but that run was so good. Fresh bit of snow on top of corduroy. Absolutely brilliant start to the day. Hopefully now we can push up and hit one of the glades or the bowls. Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo! So that was Tally-Ho Glades, one of my favourite runs on the mountain, and just like that, First Tracks is done. So 2 runs out the way. I think on a normal day you probably can fit in 3 or 4 runs, but the gondola was a little bit stop-start, and they were still assessing the avalanche risk at the very top to begin with there. But huge thanks to our instructor, was a level 4 instructor called Yasmin, who really took care of us there, and we had a really good fun time. All warmed up now to go and enjoy the rest of the day. Wow! Oh yeah! Oh. Nice! Look at that! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! So there's a big storm just starting to roll in right now. It's meant to dump 20 to 25 centimeters. That's on top of everything we've had recently. Just going to link up with a buddy now. We're going to try and head to some of the gullies and the bowls off the top of the lemming line there. And with the snow that's just coming now, it's going to make it even more epic. go. Oh. Woo! Oh. So things have definitely kicked into sixth gear here at Revelstoke. Everything has just completely transformed, and the vibe on the mountain today has just been awesome. Everybody has just been cheering, and a lot of the locals are saying to one another that this feels like how Revelstoke skiing should be. It's definitely been a slow start to the season. Would thoroughly recommend doing the first tracks if you are visiting for a week. And on that, the question I'd like to ask you guys is, anybody who's watching this, are you planning to come to Revelstoke anytime soon? It'd be awesome to meet up with some of you, maybe go for a bit of a ski. But as always, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to show your love in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.